I was crying then because he kept getting in my face. And that third time I said, look, and I do not want to stab you in front of these kids. I don't want to do it. But if you get in my face again and call me, I'm going to... For real. For real. For real, y'all. Oh my God. It's on my skin. For real. Y'all, please. I swear to God, I will beat the hell out of y'all hamsters. Like, for real, y'all. Tell them. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm a hurl. I feel like I'm going to fucking throw up. Please, y'all. Please. Please. Y'all, we got something to tell me.
Larry.
Don't. I can't handle it. Oh my God. Please. For real, girls, please.